Welcome to BEPZA, your trusted gateway to investing in Bangladesh. Thinking of investing here? Visit our website, learn about us. Have any question? Just email us. We'll get back to you promptly. Once you're satisfied, we'll look forward to welcoming you in person. Let's walk you through the steps. First, apply for a visa and travel to Bangladesh. Visit BEPZA. We are here to welcome you and learn about your investment plans. We will arrange visits to the EPZs and the BEPZA economic zone, so you can explore facilities and opportunities firsthand. If satisfied, submit a letter of intent describing your project. Present your project to BEPZA for initial review and approval. If your project passes initial review, collect and fill the official project proposal form. Open a foreign currency account with a local authorized bank. Register your company with the Registrar of Joint Stock Companies and Firms. Submit your complete proposal with the required documents including Certificate of Incorporation, Memorandum and Articles of Association, Proforma Invoice of Machinery, Bank Solvency Certificate, copy of sponsors or directors' passports. Once approved, BEPZA will issue a permission letter and allocate industrial plot or floor space. Pay required fees and sign lease agreement with BEPZA. Take possession, submit your construction plan and obtain drawing approval. Obtain trade license and provisional bond registration to begin construction. Install machinery, get permanent bond registration and start importing raw materials. Now you're all set to begin commercial production to reach global markets. With BEPZA's one-stop service, your investment journey is smooth, secure and simple. Ready to invest? Get started today. BEPZA, your trusted investment partner in Bangladesh.